Jada Kingdom gifts Anna and joins live. She also checks Daniel. If only Anna would just see what everyone else sees. Either this man is playing brain dead or he just don't care, because after Jada sends the lion she messaged and said the money is for her only, which she's making clear what is what. I honestly feel bad for Anna because she seems afraid when she's around her baby daddy. She literally does not say much just to avoid her toxic baby daddy's reaction. She can't even be herself around this man. You can clearly see it. I really hope that she will get over this phase of her life, because it's obvious what is at play here. He has done so much to Anna. I honestly believe the only reason he is around now is the money that Hannah is making, nothing else. We want to see you win, Hannah. We really do. Right now, you might not have the strength to do what you got to do because of your pregnancy, but I see you healed and making better decisions in your future. If Jada can see it, you must can see it too. Having a child is a big responsibility, and right now, it would have been great if you would be around your real family, such as your mother and all, but it's up to you still. It's all good people say this and that, but at the end of the day, they're not putting food in your stomach or helping you pay your bills. It's really hard as a female, especially when you are coming from a toxic background, to not continue to attract the same thing, but such is life. The media. No one is wearing your shoes to know what you are really putting up with. Them see pretty face and smile and think your life easy, but that's not how life goes, but hang in there.
I'm missing the box, not the responsible. So.
Hi.
Twinkle.
I will travel him.
No, me don't know.
Just feel away, come love it.
Listen, where I feel away about?
No, GSL lift up, you see me feel away about that, because I don't know where
Yeah, because Shava look a moment and so I'm just like, here's money in my back and I say, who that lift up? Make Shava a moment.
No, she have a moment, man. We love and
Yeah, make Shava a moment. I know I hear she say 1 + 1 = 3. I don't know her voice sound like. I'm just say lift up.
Because she starstruck, man. You see me, she all cry when she
A long time she not talk. I watch a live long time. Them can tell me in and out of the live, but long from when she come on, she not talk. I tell you. Watch her all a while. When they run, she not too talky. I peep it.
True that.
That's all me I say, babes.
Man, but love see me, you hear that?
Yeah, she me there for she me come support.
Me tell her. That's how we're not running joke in her life. Right, see me?
So.
Yeah, pretty girl, Anglia Kango, Anglia Bango. Yeah. Turn on some music, make a whole a joy, right there, so. You can't put a time. Let me brush up my ear. Run some tune, make over. Any song where she want play that we work with.
That is it. Love, you hear that, mama? Let's fly it.
Man, hi. Okay, thank you.
Life on right, brother. Everything we do then we can go road in peace. We know how we feel or we don't feel now when we go road and people. Video now even me.
I don't really them book me love in my house, I'm humble about. I don't go nowhere.
Why that me tell her night time.
You know them.
If we do all this. Oh, night time.
Sometimes I have to stop the people things for talk some of the time.
Do that.
I eat that right there. So, because people them not talk with them nasty. Stop the people things to talk most of the time.
That's why I tell her stay in and go road go buy the thing and come back up, you know.
That I'm not for with it. When I have to limit on phone use, limit certain things. Limit how you talk to people. Especially the ones who carry a baby. Limits. Take your time. Take your time with her. Take time with the one another. Start give people things to talk. And that's how it go.
True that.
Alright, that's how it go.
Keep talking, isn't it?
I want to go back going at that, but yeah.
But I really talk, I appreciate
it.
Isn't it?
That's how it go. When I want to say what I do is just so people don't say the whole time them see me most of the time if me have song I drop or something I put out. Everything with me strategize. Me not in the rare way. Me Man, the type would just dress up and I post every day on social media. I say, oh, look at me. Even I'm not father and see me in, me out, Ray, me tell you. Anything when people them attack, and me give them it for talk, we give them it for talk. Because as far as we all know, somehow, somewhat, some way I am pregnant, I guess. So I run with it, I let it be. But you see me? Somewhere, somehow, me this and me that, I run with it, you leave it alone. The more you clear it up, the more you shed light on it. You understand? You allow certain things alone.
100%.
People them not go talk nothing with them not see, cause they don't hear them talk about it because them not seeing anything. Until some form of video, some form of live, some form of something, know them have something for talk. Know them can say them opinion, know them can rate it, do what the internet do, you understand? But what I want you understand, pretty girl, is you can't beat the internet, you don't because on the internet it not gonna happen. And everything have respond to and everything have but the internet is only one source. It starts from the house, it starts from you. You get what I say?
Yeah.
You get what I say?
Yeah.
You would start from right there. So if you're not happy at home, you're not happy on the internet. That is how it go. Anybody see me there on the internet, them not happy at home. Like me, if me happy at home, happy on the internet, I just say it start from inside, right there. So you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And everything good. We have to just treat one another with care. Life shots and the human body is very delicate. One twist neck with there. Too much people didn't them sleep at their time. Life shots.
Very, very short. No,
So you have to know where you want and go feet. And stop contradict yourself. Stop compromise. Stop procrastinate. No procrastinate. Not time for that. Life itself is a business. You have to think.
No, so we are grow still because we are not sitting and raising a lot. You see me?
We think everything is a bill.
Yeah.
With the hospital right now, with a busted, you stay at the lobby and leak if you don't have no money to give them, or no insurance, or no nothing. Everything is a bill. So make sure you think smart. Yeah. If you say you're pregnant, congratulations. Life is a gift. But smart. Life is smart, girl. Can't do that to you right there. So much you are smart. Just make sure anything you do, you want to do it for you. You understand?
Yes, thank you.
Put your best foot forward. Always put you first. I know it sounds cliche, but it's not hard for do. It's not hard for do. And it's not hard for decenter. It's not hard for decenter certain things and certain people to certain toxic energy from it. It's not hard for decenter it. Because people, a lot of times when I look on some girl, I'm going to tell them it's not for decenter men. Them would think say, oh, that means I don't talk to no man ever again. No, that don't mean that. Decentering men is just really just putting yourself first in any situation given. You understand? You can be in a relationship and still decenter the man where they will. Your world not revolve around him. You get what I mean? There's more to life.
Hear that clown in the background chiming in. I feel like he felt away when she said what she just said. I agree with her on this because there is more to life than focusing on a relationship. Human beings should not be your entire world because humans are not perfect. Even the ones that think they are perfect are not. So to make someone your ultimate focus is a no-no.
There's more to life than a man. 100%. That's why I'm gonna have to step. Yeah, any inconvenience gone. Come and stay with nobody because me and them the long time, me and them Ray. Not have time for that. Some people they would man for show off. Some people are play who can keep the man longest game and who can keep the man, who can breathe for the man, who can rave for the man, who can't do it. That's crazy, my God. You have to do it for you. Make sure you're happy, make sure you're alright and right there so and brush look at the media, brush some of the media and everything them to see and know. And if you have to make up lie, tell them. Once is a good lie, make it work. Brush off some of the media. Only I said that because earlier when you say media dragon and the media this and the media that. So yeah, that's my take on it. But too bad if nobody know, if you not go live, if you not talk, none, if you not see nothing, them not have nothing to talk. You see me? So I just that.
As also I work for ourselves, right?
Yeah, so everything alright, that's it.
Yeah, tell her every day still not think I'm not cut about me as a person like this, me as a motivator. I tell her not to watch the argument, me ignorant still now. All the good people and loyal people, I'm ignorant to base forward in a like, you see me? You see with she, me tell her straight say, yo, she not even need me in a life, none at all. She does not know her worth yet and she got learn that overall because she there on some toxic family way. Just want to see her win alone, you get me? I say, he's a person who motivate her endlessly, you know what I mean? And you doing this right now, add even more motivation to her, and I appreciate that you see it.
You motivate her, oh.
She can't tell her.
No, you tell me, you may ask, you know what she tell me. What she tell me?
She's trying every way possible, man. Believe. Every way possible.
Oh. You ain't bring no farmer. You motivate her, oh. I don't understand. Why you
Every way possible.
every way possible, like, oh. Please, sorry, because when I say everywhere possible, it's like, it's so vague. It's so vague. I don't understand. Like,
You think I get it? I get scared.
I mean, you have to make me get it in a reason.
I make it scared, man.
Alright. Well, I saw them sitting there go. See, that's the next thing too. I read the comment, then stop to that. I read comment too much. Look on your pretty face, look on yourself, look up in the sky, look all about. Stop read comments.
Sorry for that. Or them.
I'll tell you the truth. Oh well. I guess when I got the vibe, I'm think we don't have. Cause I think say, you know.
You hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you. Sorry, my analyze conversations so different. Like, it's okay. Just more chat. Whenever you want to say gift, come, you just want cash up you straight. So just DM me. I will talk about that and yeah. Go and pick up yourself, bless up yourself. We got chat. But last thing I want to say is you're beautiful. I love your energy. You get me? Love your energy. And we got chat. Cause in the idea, you did it so me that you saw, you see me? We can't to retake. You get me? I say, I'm not put in a new farmer, Ray, or an idea under your household. You get me? So we would chat. I just one of them things that's so it go. But hope you're not suppress your feelings to nobody. Understand? And just always stay true to yourself. No, she's a beautiful girl. You get me? Yeah, go angle, yeah, slay pregnancy, bad to bad, yeah, go on. Is it me so we chat, is it? I look more. Hey, big up, where him there? Tell him big up himself. Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. No flop, no flop. Big up yourself.
Thank you, Twinkle.
Me show you what I mean by motivation. That's it. You talk half here.
What?
We talk about what we are talking about like half here. Me make you understand what I mean.
Yeah, man. Where is the man?
Alright, still love.
But you, think me.
Yes, Twinkle.
Alright, bye.
Okay.
Can you kick me? I forgot how to.
Bye, Twinkle. I forgot to sign up for you. I really feel like now for me.
If you're in a relationship and you can't be your own person, while you are having a conversation with someone, you need to really rethink that relationship. Because why does he always have to be talking while she's having a chat with someone not? Even if you had a twin, it's like this.
Emotional, but you know, I couldn't even say nothing.
Yeah, she's shy away like she not even know if it's thinking it was funny, bro. To me, it was very funny. Because thinking of her like that, it was very funny, bro. I swear, she just sprayed the talking thing. The twinkle normal, bro. I'm not like she be a superstar like she. Normal, bro. She normal effort. She have to win, man. Believe no, man. She normal. Twinkle big up herself. No drugs.
Thank you, Jesus. Tap me the comments there.
She's still there. I'm not there.
Bring back the tune.
And I'm pretty happy.
Thank you, user.
Like, what is he really saying about motivation and what not? What is he really talking about though? Motivate Hannah and treating her badly. This man really delusional though. Because you are around someone every day does not mean you have their best interest at heart. This man though. Well, is it that still? What would you do in this particular situation? Let me know your thoughts. If your family was toxic and you got pregnant, would you stay around your family or would you stay around your abusive baby daddy? Because people have a lot to say when they are not in the situation. That's the end of this episode. Don't forget to subscribe and share.